So Ian is taking us to Spirit Halloween. So Ian is wanna go see the ghosts. Yeah. When is Halloween?
Arrived.
October 31st.
Oh, that's our gym, Ian. The one in the shower.
Oh, yeah.
In the big one.
So I'll show you guys what they sell at Halloween place. Yeah, I'm trying to make content for you guys today. Yeah, it's random though. So I'm thinking about going out of town some days. So I should make some more content. I gotta make sure this thing is straight. I think that's good. Right?
What?
The car, it's all right. My parking is a little crooked, but it's all right. You got the keys? So this is the place we are going. It's all about celebration of ghosts. What? What there? Oh, this is your gym. Yeah, and that's the gym. Not yours. Oh. It's called Spirit. Yeah, it's all about spirit. Yeah. So they got a fire going. Look at that. Like nice ghost. Yeah, it's all about Halloween is more about harvest season. Because in November everybody is harvesting before the winter comes. And there's all these ghosts. Look at that. Yeah. So kwa Kenya hii ni kitu ya kucelebrate nini? Yeah. Mnaona venye watoto wamenini? Wamefurahi. Yaona? Yeah. Here, this look like some of those gothic movies. In a near day. So the kids are so excited. Unaona watoto wamefurahi. Yeah, hii ndio nini. So you see the pumpkins. Yeah. It's all about the harvest season. Yeah. I need one of these. You know, oh, really? One of the. This is good for. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. You're gonna be the thumbnail. Wewe ndio utakuwa nini? Utakuwa thumbnail. Unajua thumbnail ni nini? Yeah. So look at the chainsaw. It's a fake chainsaw. Let's say unataka kukata mtu. Kuua mtu unamuua na chainsaw. That's the whole point. It's all about ghosts. Yeah. And this is for witches. Ile warogi. Yeah. Have you seen that thing that's keep going? Ona shoka. Ni light. Unaona venye iko light? Yeah. Very light. It's just for the nakisu. Very light. Ni plastic. Yeah. Ona mtoto. Hii ni all about ghost. Lakini watoto wana enjoy. Spider-Man nini? Ni kila kitu ya Halloween. Yeah.
Can I wear this to test it out when I get home?
Niko rekodi nayo.
Can you check the size of
So how you do it? Yeah. Oh. It's everywhere. Ian, what's that for?
This
You,
is the thing.
you want to wear one like a cop?
Yeah.
So this is...
My friends are gonna be prisoners that escaped.
Oh. So can't hold it. Yeah. So this is where they get like the Halloween costume. Again, he wanna be a police. He doesn't wanna be a ghost. Yeah. Yeah. You see? Your mother knows. Yeah. So these are like you have to dress up for Halloween. Yeah, lazima you can wear like anything. That's what the kids wear. If you wanna be like a prisoner,
Too expensive.
who's gonna be an escaped convict? Oh. So yeah, there's these. You buy these things. You wanna be a sheriff?
Which card do you want?
This is what a police officer wears. This
This
is
one is better.
Which one?
this is a jail badge. This is an escaped convict. Yeah,
Let me see if this one fits.
That's
like
big.
a name it.
Is that medium?
Yes,
There's no large.
there's large, but there's large.
Yeah, large.
Can you
So what?
have $36?
So these are like bullets, but these are fake bullets, and the prices are
Can you
$9.
put something yesterday then we can put your can
They don't have like you don't have to buy them here. There's other places, probably Walmart. Yeah, yeah. Ito eh. Oh, it's for. No, we're gonna have you dressed like a witch. There's one for a witch. That one. They had a little girl. Huh, Mariko? Get can a pilot. Yeah. This for like a rogue pirate.
Oh, maybe. Actually, I think it's gonna fit.
Yeah. With the dreads, Ian becoming a police. It'll fit. Huh? It's
Oh, I have an idea. If you put all my dreads in there.
No, it can't fit. It can't fit unless you just put it on top, like on top of this. Just like that.
yeah.
I'll help you hold it with the pins so it don't come off. There's no cuff here.
There's
Oh,
cuffs.
there's cuff here.
Hold on. Let me.
There's cuffs. Oh. Yeah. Does it come with the pants?
Okay. Take a picture of me.
Huh?
Where's your phone?
So these guys, I got ghosts here. It's $5. $5.99 for some scary things. Yeah. Everything. Spirits.
I want a cup like this, but different.
And some nice cup. If you want to drink with like a
Mugs.
monster, you know, they might drop them.
But this one's even clear.
Yeah. And some pumpkins.
Oh.
Yeah, these will look like, what do you call pumpkin in Swahili? Sijui inaitwaje. Hey, pumpkin inaitwaje kwa Kiswahili?
Don't get that blue.
Oh, there. Yeah. All right, cool, thanks. Yeah.
Fair enough. All right, how much you got here? 20.
So we gotta check out. So we live in the Halloween place. Yeah, time to go home. We bought the cup things. Yeah, we ain't gonna be a cup for the Halloween. Yeah, I'll show you guys. So Ian is becoming a cop. Ian.
You continue this streak of luck and make it to hope before temperatures drop too much. In a few days it's supposed to drop to -20 and we're not really sure how we're going to handle that.
I gotta turn off the TV, man. Yeah. This is like the couch from Master Furniture. Yeah. And Ian is a cop. Yeah.
That you have to. But you have to. Huh?
I took it in.
How? Is it happening? Yeah. How?
That's the Halloween for today.
The shut in? You know how?
That's the Halloween for today.
You need to put the hat down and do it with your hands. Both your hands.
You don't gotta tuck it in right now, do you?